In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix your PS5 controller not turning on. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now I have my PS5 controller right here with my PS5 screen right here. Let's say my controller is not turning on. You're going to know it's not turning on when that light isn't flashing. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that your controller is actually charged properly. So what you want to do is plug this into a USB-C outlet. You can use a normal charger or you can plug it directly into your PS5 to start charging it. Now, the next thing you want to do, you might be using a second controller, like let's say if you have multiple controllers, you want to make sure that this one is actually connected to your PS5 controller, to your PS5 console. So what you want to go ahead and do is use a USB to USB-C wire. So I'm going to put the USB-C here and the other end of the USB-C wire into the PS5 to make sure that they're properly connected. And then basically, whenever you're moving around after you've done that, you don't have to keep it wired anymore. It just needs to register that you're using a PS5 controller, and then that's it. You'll be good to go. Then you can use your PS5 as much as you want. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.